Hi, I'm Jim Hauer, owner of HCS Tech in Lillington, and I just wanted to talk a little bit today about this thing called the cloud. Um, People are really confused about what the cloud is, but if you've ever used a Gmail account, or if you have a Facebook account, or if you've ever watched a movie on Netflix, well, you've used the cloud. And basically, all the cloud is just a centralized place that happens to be out on the internet where you can access data basically using any kind of digital device that's connected to the internet. Um, when I bought the HCS Tech about a year ago, I went to the techs and I said, I think we need to get rid of these servers that we have and go cloud based because really that's what's happening in today's business world. And my techs were thrilled with that. They thought that's a great idea because really that's where businesses are going. So today we use Google Suite Pro for things like documents, storing documents, sharing documents, calendars, email, that sort of thing. Our ticketing and invoicing system is something called Repair Shopper, which again is an online-based service. QuickBooks is online. I access all of our banking online. And even our most of our advertising is done via social media, which is connected to our CRM, our customer resource management tool, that's also cloud based. So we do everything on the cloud, and that's where you need to be going. A lot of my competitors are still kind of have that last century thinking where they think, well, people need a server. Well, chances are you don't need a server. Now, there are cases where you do, like for instance, there's a lot of mission critical software that runs your business that has to run on a server simply because the information can't be uploaded to the cloud or your vendor just doesn't have a cloud-based solution. And there's also some businesses that where there might be some regulatory issues with going to the cloud. So you need to make sure that you're okay with going to the cloud. But I think about 90% and maybe more of businesses could be using the cloud for their basic IT infrastructure. Now, here's the sales pitch, so get ready. Um, Cloud computing is not do-it-yourself computing. You still need a partner like HCS Tech to kind of help you navigate the cloud, get things set up. You still need someone to help you with break fix, to someone to configure email out on the cloud, make sure your antivirus is in place, and all of that kind of stuff. So HCS Tech is not out of the picture when you go to the cloud. We're very much in the picture because we're helping you run your business a lot more efficiently by going to the cloud. So, unless you're a millennial, you'll remember the days when your phones did nothing but make phone calls. When you watched TV, the only thing you could watch was what was being broadcast right at that very moment. And you couldn't watch movies or do anything else on your computer, really, except maybe go out onto the internet. So, get into this century and work with a vendor like HCS Tech who is operating now, operating with your best interest in mind. And in a future blog, we'll talk about a concern that's probably on your mind, which is how secure is the cloud? And we'll talk later. Thanks.